In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Claude Skills in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you want to customize Claude for specific workflows, save time, and make the AI work more like your own personal assistant. Whether you want to create your own skill, write custom instructions, or upload an existing skill, I'll walk you through the exact process step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Claude either on the web or in the desktop app. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or name. This is where Claude keeps your account and app settings, so it's the starting point for customizing your experience. After that, click on Settings. This will open up the main settings panel where you can manage different options for your Claude account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section called Customize. Under that section, you'll see Skills. Click on Skills to open the skill management area. Now you're in the right place to add a new Claude skill. In the top right corner, click Add. This is where Claude lets you bring in new skills and expand what the assistant can do for you. Once you click it, you'll see a few options depending on how you want to build or add the skill. You can create a skill with Claude if you want the AI to help you generate the structure and content for it. This is great if you're not sure how to write everything from scratch and want Claude to help you shape the skill based on your goal. You can also write the skill instructions yourself if you already know exactly what you want the skill to do. This gives you full control over the behavior, tone, and workflow. Another option is to upload a skill from here if you already have one prepared. This is useful when you want to import a skill you've saved or received from another source. Just follow the prompts, add the skill details, and save it once you're happy with everything. After adding your skill, Claude will now be able to use it based on the instructions or files you provided. That means you can build more repeatable workflows, get more consistent outputs, and tailor Claude for specific tasks like writing, research, planning, or anything else you need. So that's how to add Claude skills using the web or desktop app. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in how you use Claude every day. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.